Arunagirinadar was born in the 15th century in Tiruvannamalai. His father was Tiruvengattar and his mother Muttamai. Soon after Arunagirinadar's birth, his father passed away. His mother handed him over to his elder sister. His sister took good care of him. He learned Tamil grammar and literature from a young age. He had bad habits and many connections with ladies. Due to this, he lost all his money and property. Later, he developed leprosy. His wife left him, but still, he did not leave his old habits. His sister angrily shouted at him that if he wants a lady, then take her. Hearing this, he shamefully left the house. He wandered aimlessly. Later, an elderly man saw him and explained about Lord Muruga to him and blessed him and suggested him to sing songs about Muruga. But still, he felt guilty. He jumped from the Annamalayar temple Gopuram. Two hands stopped him from touching the ground. He orders Arunagirinadar to stand up. When he stood, he saw Lord Muruga himself there. Lord Muruga orders him to show his tongue. Then he writes the mantra Saravana Bhava on his tongue. This makes him mentally stable, cures his leprosy, and gives him wisdom and knowledge of yoga. Lord Muruga orders him to sing a song about him. Arunagirinadar replies that he does not know how to sing. Lord Muruga gives him the first line Mutte Taru Batti Tirunahai and disappears. After many tries, he finally succeeds.
முத்தை தருபத்தி திருநகை அத்திக்கிரை சத்தி சரவண முத்தி குருவித்து குருபர என ஓடும் முத்தை தருபத்தி திருநகை அத்திக்கிரை சத்தி சரவண முத்தி குருவித்து குருபர என ஓடும்.
He travels to many temples and composes over 16,000 songs, but only 2,000 songs are sung today. He wrote 3 books, Tirupugal, Kandar Alangaram and Kandar Anubhuti. His followers relate these books to other books, Devaram, Tiruvasagam and Tirumandiram. One day, he saw some poets who had one of their outer ears missing. He went to inquire about this. He came to know that a poet named Thiruvilliputturaar challenged people to sing. He who wins cuts the other's ear. No one has won against him. Arunagirinadar went to see Villiputturaar. Villiputturaar challenged Arunagirinadar. He explains if Villiputturaar wins, he will cut Arunagirinadar's ear. A blade will be kept on his ear to do so. Arunagirinadar tells that if he wins, he will cut Villiputturaar's ear and asks for a similar blade to do so. Villiputturaar looks at him surprised and gives him the blade. Arunagirinadar explains that he will sing a song, and if Villiputturaar explains its meaning, then Arunagirinadar has lost, and if he cannot, Villiputturaar has lost. Arunagirinadar takes letter Tha as a base and sings a song.
சித்தத்திரிதாதை தாததுத்தித்ததிதா இதத்தத்தத்தித்தரித்திதத்த தேதுத்திதித்திதத்தா இதத்தத்தத்தித்தத்தை தாததி தேதுதை தாததத்து இதத்தத்தத்தித்தித்திதி திதிப்ரிசீதொத்ததே.
Villiputturaar does not understand and declares that he has lost. Arunagirinadar explains the song's meaning. Villiputturaar gives him the permission to cut his ear. Arunagirinadar refuses and tells him to correct his mistake and not repeat it. After this, he gained many followers. He also gained the king's respect. A person named Kali in Dasavar felt jealous. He told the king that he can show him Kali Mata. But Arunagirinadar cannot show him Lord Murugan. The king allows him to challenge Arunagirinadar. The challenge was to be done in the Arunachalaswarar temple. Kali and Dasar told that Arunagirinadar will show Lord Muruga. Then only will he show Kali Mata. Kali and Dasar, with his powers, requested Kali Mata not to let Lord Muruga come to the temple. When Arunagirinadar started singing songs about Lord Muruga wanted to come, but Kali Mata did not allow.
செங்கேழடுத்த சினவடிவேலும் திருமுகமும் செங்கேழடுத்த சினவடிவேலும் திருமுகமும் பங்கே நிறைத்த நற்பன்னிரு தோளும்
Arunagirinadar went into the body of a parrot with his powers to save the king and went to Lord Muruga.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடித்திருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.